I want our society, our generation to change to a better generation.
We live in times where both teenagers and their parents have become strangers. Teenagers going through life changes emotionally, biologically, or even mentally, but are afraid to seek help or even just talk to their parents.
Like for me, there are things that I cannot share with my mom, and you may find, for example, I begin depressed because of those overwhelmed challenges.
This saw Ayata Tracy Anyango and Veronica Njeri from Honorable John Njoroge Secondary School come up with a web application which, according to them, would be a solution to their fellow teenagers in dealing with their emotional changes.
The teens, for them to share their problem confidentiality and feel that they will not be victimized.
It all began when they approached their teacher to find a way that enables teenagers open up on what they are going through.
She actually told me, "Teacher, do you know something? Do you know why we have so many problems? Do you know why so and so has not come to school today? We have so many issues, but we fear. You know, if you tell a teacher your problem, they will go and tell the other teachers. They will start victimizing you and judging you, so we avoid. So teacher, I have an idea." So I listened to the girl. She told me the idea she has is about an application whereby they can be assisted without necessarily have to be known.
Roslyn Mora, their teacher, tells us that the main reason why teenagers do not share their troubles includes judgment and victimization from teachers and parents.
A teen can ask, how did they, for example, stop masturbating? So such a question, if you ask your parent, they will just think you are a devil. How can you talk about that? So such things make them keep the things to themselves.
Through a platform dubbed My Confidant web application, a teenager is able to log in using either their real names or a nickname and also their age, then go ahead to cue in their concerns, which are addressed without them feeling exposed.
The teenager will search on my-confidant.org, whereby it will bring the home page of the application. The teen will click on Start a Live Chat, whereby the teen will see the page of Start a Live Chat. The teen will be required to fill in some details, the nickname or the name. The teen may fill the nickname because our application is to maintain anonymity. After writing, the teen will start the Confidant live chat with the agents who are part of the Confidant application, and that's where the teen will chat live with the agent.
Roslyn tells us that there are professionals who act as agents to help put up content on the application.
Doctors, counselors, and some teachers, they are basically volunteers. Like in the application, we have around 16. And then we also, the 2 students are also part of the team.
They also shared with us the most common issues that have come up as shared by a majority of teenagers who have visited the application.
Some of them were not coming back because we heard that some of them were pregnant. Some of them were talking about sexuality, and that was a worry because if we know early sex may cause challenges like teenage pregnancy and STIs, even HIV.
So many teenagers are having very high sex drive. So they were asking us how they are being pressurized to have sex because of peer pressure, because they want to know how it feels. How do I stop masturbating? What is protected sex? Is it better than unprotected sex?
Their hope is that the application will be a personal advisor to many teenagers around the world to help fight depression and other teenage-related challenges. Robbie Omondi, K24, Weekend Edition.